DJH Preston Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Mercedes A-Class. It's the diesel, it's the AMG Sport, full AMG body styling kit, the premium alloy wheels on it. As you can see, it's in lovely condition, gloss metallic, absolutely gleaming in this weather. So that's absolutely superb. Low mileage example with a lot of extras on it as well, which I'll show you in a minute. Boot area's in lovely condition, got the rear parcel shelf. It's the AMG, it's got the lovely half leather Alcantara with the red stitch piping trim, AMG carpet mats, electric windows, electric mirrors. Just step inside the car, it's only done 52,120 miles. Satellite navigation, just start the car up. Sounds superb. Got the 6-speed gearbox, centre armrest, got the AUX and USBs, reverse camera, don't worry about the flashing, that's just the shutter speed of the camera, it's not flashing at all. Air conditioning, seats are in lovely condition, just no wear on it at all. Lovely low mileage example. Multifunction steering wheel. Seats lovely. So at DJH we're full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.